Hi, hello everyone. My name is Adilović and I'm 22 years old. I'm a newly made Bachelor of Genetics and Bioengineering. I graduated from International University of Sarajevo in June of 2020. My greatest passions lie in the world of molecular biology, molecular diagnostics, but I'm also interested a lot in the interdisciplinary work of science and technology itself. And as such, I hope to become one day a scientist who will be able to heal the world out of genetic disorders. My current passions lie in the idea of becoming a published author, specifically lying in the area of publishing my graduation thesis and other work that I've been doing. So, bye. That's it.